Salutations, people of the internet. Welcome to part 4 of the build log. And oh my god, my table is a mess. I just realized this. I'm gonna clean it up a bit. Anyway, since last time, I finished the masking on these parts right here. It was a real pain. So yeah, I did that. Oh, also spray painted the shuttle bay along with the rear nacelle caps. That should still be drying, so I probably shouldn't touch that. Yeah, I'm going to paint these. Where's my brush? Here is my brush. Gonna paint them silver. Make sure it's all nice and shooketh. God, I should never say that again. I had someone who I know in real life suggest that I paint it with spray paint. I'm not doing that. If I'm putting in this much effort for the masking, I'm going to put in as much effort into the actual painting. I can hear people I live with stomping about upstairs. I'm not going to ask them to stop because it's really pointless. So I tested out some LEDs to use for this. I found 2 amber LEDs that I'm definitely going to use. That's not going in, okay. I'm going to preemptively add the hole there too. So yeah, 2 amber LEDs, one for each Bussard collector, because in the render on the box it is kind of an amber color. I have not seen what the kit looks like with the lighting kit installed, nor do I really care. So, I was talking with someone about this series recently, and he asked me if I was going to spoil Lower Decks. This is a spoiler-free channel. If you spoil anything in the comments, you will be deleted, but not blocked, because some people I know would just spoil something really old as a joke, like the infamous twist from The Empire Strikes Back. I'm not saying what it is, because even I know that, you know, some people haven't watched Star Wars. Like Sammy J. Although, him saying that he has never watched Star Wars is probably a joke for that one song, which I'm not going to sing because I don't want to get copyright claimed. But it is called Secrets by Sammy J. and Randy, his friend. Where did I put that? There it is. Okay. The paint on these parts have dried enough so that I can take them off and remove the clay. So let's do that. You know, I might dip this in water later, just to make sure that all the clay is gone. It's a shame that these holes are so shallow. In hindsight, I could have just drilled them out, but it's risky. Yeah, that's what I'm gonna dip this in some warm water once this video's over. Oh, I should put the cap back on this. So next video, I thought that today we'd be starting on decals. My toothpick slipped, but it didn't scratch the paint, which is good. Anyway, I thought today we'd be starting on decals, but change of plan. We are removing the masking on this, which is going to be time consuming. Which is going to take up the whole video, and I don't want this to go off to a whole hour like last time. You've all got places to be, and I don't want to interrupt that. I just realized that I forgot to tell everybody that I would be filming. this is a much better system for this. I just realized how disturbingly quiet I'm being. So yeah. Almost done with this, and then I will cut, then rinse off. Ooh, towards the bottom here, it's kind of difficult to see the clay marks. You know, this would be much easier if these holes were shallower. Okay, cleared out the holes. I'm gonna go to the sink and rinse these out. Okay, so I messed up. The clay I used was not water soluble, so it's just like deciding to stay in the holes. So yeah, I'm a bit boned right now. Yeah, I checked and I do not have a drill bit small enough to, you know, go inside these holes and poke them out for me, so I can do that. So I'm going to have to 3D print myself some new ones. I have a 3D printer. It's right there. There it is. Yeah, I have to fix that. These caps are beyond saving. But hey, on the upside, I can... Yeah, there is no upside to this. Just gonna take off the masking from this just to see if I messed up or not, because it's the theme for today. Me messing up masking. Man, I really masked this, huh? Jesus. I can... Oh. Oh dear. I accidentally took off some of the paint on here, but that can be fixed. Make sure I get all the thinner off. go. Fixed that. And I think, other than the new cell caps I'm going to have to make, that is all the printing, or that is all the painting. Oh, by the way, I took off the masking for the impulse engines. That turned out quite well. Yeah. I think that's it for today. Have a good one.